What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so today's move we're going to work on is a footwork move called the figure 4, or also known as the Sling. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now and apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so the figure 4 gets its name because we will be making a 4 with our legs. So we're really going to lock it in. All I'm really focusing on is I'm trying to get my ankle pretty much above my knee and locking it in. So whether it's my right foot or my left foot, this is the shape we're going to be creating. Okay, so from here, we'll start from one of our legs out being straight. So we'll start with our left leg. So our left leg's going to be straight. So step 1 is I'm kind of going to roll over almost like I'm going to do a Zulu spin, and my right leg is going to kick out straight. So this is kind of similar to my step over and back video, so if you haven't seen that one, make sure to check that one out. But I'm going to be using 2 hands today. Okay, so as I'm rolling over to my left foot, all I want to do is put out my right foot straight out here. Okay, so from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hop to my right foot, this foot, and I'm going to lock it in into my left knee. So from here, I'm going to give a little bit of a hop off my left foot and stick out over here. Okay, so notice, again, I'm trying to create this figure 4, and I give a little bit of a kick to the left. Okay, so one more time. Starting with my left. Starting with my left, I roll over almost like I'm doing a Zulu spin or a step over, and I'm going to straighten them out with my right. From here, I'm going to lock in my right leg and give a little kick with this left foot to come out. Good. So from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to reset. I'm kind of going to jump back to almost like I'm about to do a weight change. So I hop back here, my right leg's going to be straight, and I'm just going to switch my hand. So notice when I hop back, I am coming back to that neutral position on my left leg. So make sure you're sitting on your heel and you're not flat footed. So let's just try that transition on our left leg. So from here, rolling over almost like I'm doing a Zulu spin. So straight leg with my right. I'm going to snap with my right leg, figure 4. Then I'm going to weight change back. And then I'm going to do, all I'm going to do is bring my right arm over. So let's try that one more time. So left leg out. This will be step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. One more time. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes with kick, figure 4, weight change, change arms. Alright, so let's try the same thing on our right leg now. So let's pretend like we just did our weight change and we're switching our arm. Okay, so remember, we can kind of break this down into 4 steps. So this would be number 4. So we're in this position with our right leg out. Again, I'm doing like a Zulu spin over to my right. My left arm's gonna come over. My left leg's gonna be straight. From here, locking in my left leg, give a little hop with this right leg, figure 4. From here, gonna snap back to a weight change and then switch my arm. Okay, so again, when I'm in that figure 4, it is my left leg on top of my right knee. Okay, so from this angle, so you can see that a little bit better. So again, on my right, I'm rolling over. I'm gonna straighten out my left here, snap it out, figure 4, weight change, come back. Try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 4 steps. This goes 1, snap, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so let's try going back and forth. So again, you can break this down into 4 steps. For now, we'll just hit all 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 2, 3, other side. So here we go. So 5, 6, starting on your left. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, again. Kick, figure 4, back, around, kick, figure 4, back, around. Alright, so now that we have it slow, let's try to speed up just a little bit. So we're going to utilize our and counts now. The technique and the form is still the same. So still 4 movements, but for now we're going to hit and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now by hitting that subscription button and also hitting the notification bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways from today. Again, you can kind of break this move down into 4 movements and making sure that we're really snapping into that figure 4 or the sling, right? So again, I'm trying to create almost like a 4 with my legs. And again, I'm trying to aim for my ankles to be a little bit higher than my knee, okay? And for this one, again, you're just kind of combining almost like a step over and also a weight change, combining it with that figure 4. So make sure you practice all those movements and make sure you get your timing just perfect. Alright, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.